Been decided to be as far away from the tiger. Before she went upstairs, she got a bowl of spicy red peppers. That night, the tiger wife and the entire family come upstairs. Your stomach heard a noise, sounded like punch, punch, like the click of the claws. She was so scared, so she called out, "What are you doing?" The tiger answered, "Oh, nothing, just prayers and rice with water." The next morning, the tiger said to you, "Come down here." But you was afraid that she wouldn't come down. The tiger said, "Come down here. I'll come up there." As the tiger started to climb up the ladder, you threw some spicy pepper into his eyes, and he screamed, "Ah!" and fell down to the floor. His eyes went so bad that he had to go down to the pond to wash them out. While he was gone, you came back down and got another bowl of pepper. When she climbed back up to the attic, a friendly bird came and said, "If you give me something to eat, I'll take a message to your family." So you gave him some corn and sent a message that said, "A tiger came and everybody but me, I climbed into the attic and I'm safe. Please come quickly." Then the tiger came back on the river. You threw more pepper into his eyes, causing him to go back to the pond. Just then, your family arrived. They asked him where the tiger was. You said, "Down in the pond, I'll call him. Tiger, tiger, my family is here. They will give me to you and I'll be alive." And the tiger said, "Aha, good. I'm coming right now." When the tiger arrived, he saw your family members. One of the brothers said, "All right, tiger, let's talk." Tiger said, "Oh, well, you go first." The brother said, "No, you go first." Tiger said, "I'll put you one in my mouth." And then the brother replied, "I'll cut you with my sword." While the two were still arguing, the other family members snuck away and began to gather as fast as they could and took them home to safety.
Đó gió tây vô chia tình nhau, chỉ hai đó lâu đó đùa giống bỏ bỏ, tôi chỉ cứ say cô chúa chỉ trong 怎么会有才有人工天中作个来哟？嘛，我也懂得呢，我也懂得，我也懂得呢。你来接我这是我呀？
Ở thôi luôn, đến tôi thế lo, bye bye.
Bé tiêu dự khu lại chè, nhập vào đôi nhẹ tôi nhỏ.
Đi ta lo tao.
다시 우리 지도들 내 남았나? Trẻ nhỏ nhỏ có chơi là để cứu được cũng là mà nhỏ.
Tao cứ lo nói nên luôn. Chơi chuyện gì có xe lo, có làm không na.
Lớp mùa, tôi chẳng có giờ này được đây của sáng nó đi. Thật có hãy sang bị theo của trong cũng mua nhỏ.
Lo, như hai trưa nay cả tôi được sống trong về, hai lo hai tia. Nì á, chỉ làm tu dương ao sông đông tỏ. Mà bây giờ em nu xa y tạo ra tỏ e trang tử.
Mình sẽ rõ.
Cũng một tự lo như có cứ lo mà.
今晚不吹起用了你两个呢？Yang mua yang đi
chưa từ số nào nếu thích quên tôn lái cái chữ cười cho bức tà